This project is dealing with Google Earth and a Notebook 10 software. What we can do is link a map to an image, and then when we click the image, what we see then is a map that's been layered over the top of Google Earth. In this project, I'm going to show you how to accomplish this task, and I hope you find it informative and you enjoy it. Okay, here we go. The first thing we need to do is find a map that we're going to overlay onto Google Earth. In this case, the project is about the Trail of Tears, so let's just go in and do a basic search and find us a map. Looks like we have some images here, so let's click on this. There we go. Now let's just do a little bit of searching and see if we can find the one we like. This looks good here. So let's click on this image, and now we'll want to click on it again to bring it up to size. Now to save the image, what we need to do is right click, save image as, and then I'm going to put it on the desktop to make it easier to locate. And click save. Okay. Now let's close this window and let's go to our Google Earth. Now I've already been working with some layers, so I'm just going to delete these. Now look at the top of the screen. There are several little buttons, but we're going to work with a layer. Now we want to name it. I'm just going to name it Tears 3 because I've done a couple more of these. Click Browse, and let's find that map on our desktop. Here it is. Click Open. Now before we click OK or anything else, we want to make our adjustments to the layer itself. So let's get this window out of the way. Remember, do not click OK. Now in the image you'll see some crosshairs, you'll see some green outlines. You're going to use those to resize the map that you're importing. So it's going to take a little while here, but what we're going to do is resize this to where it's going to fit on top of Google Earth in an exact spot. So here we go, drag it down. Okay, it's not quite right, so let's resize a little bit more. Okay, that's looks right size. Let's move it around and put it in position. There we go. Now when we go back to our window, now we're going to click OK. And then that layer will show up on the side, on the left side of the window. And we're going to click over there. I'm going to do a right click and do a save as. It's going to save it as a different type of format, but you want to save that on the desktop also. Okay. Now let's shrink this down. Now let's go to our notebook software. I found this image on the internet that I really liked, and so what we're going to do now is going to link to this object. Click link. Now we want to link to a file on the computer. Now we want to browse for that file. I think it's a KMZ file. It's found on the desktop. Okay, it's just a little searching. And there we go, Tears 3. Click open. Now we want to copy the file into the notebook software, so when we take it someplace else we've got that. I don't do the corner icon, I do the object. I like it much better. Click OK. And now you'll see the object is now a link. We click on that. It will open up Google Earth and it will zoom in to our map that we placed on Google Earth. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and have a great day.